Okay, here we have U-Siphon design 1.3 made by myself and this guy. Okay, we have a little bit of a unique problem on this grow bed because of this angle. Where's the lens? Right here. If this was straight and the pipe went straight in like that, no problem. The siphon would be able to start without any issues. What we're having a problem with, we had the pipe coming up here and then went down to a 90 and then it had another extension, and essentially it was getting an air bubble. You can kind of see sort of a representation what that's like on the outside, which is going away. Now there's still an air bubble that's inside there because there's nowhere for the air to go. Otherwise, ideally this section of the pipe would fill up with water and the only air bubble would be right here. What's going to happen is this tub is going to fill up if it works right. Water is going to reach this level, the bottom of the U-Siphon by design, which is going to be a level about here on the grow bed, and water will start dumping out here. We're going from 3/4 inch PVC reducing down to 1/2 inch, which should give a little bit of extra velocity to it ideally, and then pull that air bubble out once this thing fills up with water. That's the idea anyway. Well, Siphon 1.0 had no problem stopping the siphon, which is half of the design, which you want it to do. But we had a problem with this air bubble here in this beginning part. So now we've put a 45 here. We still want to have a 90 here because I want to have a long, anyway, that's the next phase of the design here. Hopefully, when the water level gets up here to the top, we will see the siphon start. I'll stop the video here and then start it back up when we're getting close to it. And then it will drain the bed and self-stop. Okay, so now we've got full suction going. I just recorded a big long section that I thought was going. So what happened when the water level reached the bottom of this, it started trickling out, and then it started sputtering as it started getting some of the air in there, and then it gets to a point where it starts running full suction. So right now this whole pipe should be full of water, and it's going to suck all the water out until it reaches the top of this thing and starts introducing air into the line. So yeah, my whole segment 2, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So it's running full suction now. It just took a while for the suction to start, so I think we're going to still have to tweak our design a little bit. Okay, it's still draining, and it's getting to the point where it's going to start sucking air here, and what that's going to do is it's going to drain the suction line, and so we are getting suction going on there. And it is coming out full force out of the 1/2 inch PVC. So 3/4 inch PVC, got a 90 small segment of PVC, a 45 another small section into a bulkhead adapter, 90 section PVC, 90 here, 90 here, goes to a reducer into 1/2 inch, and then that's going to drain into the stock tank. So let's see, once it starts sucking air here. So it's sucking in air at the top, or inside the bed. And the siphon quits. And should shut off here. There we go. Now the siphon is all full of air again and ready. When the grow bed fills up, it'll start up again. So fairly successful. Could still use some tweaks to get a faster start.